Babe, please, can we just have normal sex tonight? No, change into an elephant. No. Man. Okay, wow. That was cool. That was a fun little extra amount that we did there. Now time to actually review your things. Who's first? Who's first in this magnificent thing of things? Oh my god. Kate, that's so cute. Baby Elephant Mario. That's what Kate said. Baby Elephant Mario. Cute. Next one is by TJ09. He said, second Super Mario RPG style sprite. Kind of like doing this. Background is directly from Super Mario RPG. Dude, this is really good. So you made this look like a 3D render. Wow. Soft render. Wow, glowy render. Oh, it's so shiny. Why is his Mario emblem just like glowing like he's a lighthouse? Mario Lighthouse. I love this. This is great. He's like Pennywise. It all floats down here. Please, Mario just came to plumb in the toilet. Thank you, Outsider Arts. Next one's by Unspoken Owl, who also did the Mario and the pipe. There's something about the pipe that's good. It's like you don't have to make his legs, right? Thank you, Owl. I love this. He's missing his ears. Next one's by Revy. Who said, I started making a background because I'm insane or something. Dude, it's great. I love it. That's why I'm here now, to show you. You can also join if you're not absolutely cracked at art. Dude, I loved these. These were so great. These were so freaking great. I loved it very much. I think you are so cool, and when we make art together, I'm like, holy shit, this kind of makes me wanna get married.